Hey everyone, it's Jamie. Welcome back. So today's haul is a Dollar Tree haul, and everything that I found is brand new, at least to me at my stores. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and get started and show you guys what I found. So I must have been hungry, I don't know, but I found this as I was checking out. I was standing in line waiting, and I looked over and I seen this. So this is the Yoohoo Candy Bar, and it's 4.5 ounce, which is huge. So I've never seen this at my Dollar Tree before, so I thought I'd go ahead and grab it. The only thing is I was noticing just now on the back that this is a Palmer's by Palmer's, and I'm not a real big fan of Palmer's chocolate. I don't know. To me, it tastes really fake, I guess you'd say. I don't know. But anyway, so I'm hoping that this does not taste like that, but it is Yoo-Hoo, so hopefully it tastes like the drink Yoo-Hoo. I don't know. But anyway, I did go ahead and grab this. Also, I want to address the orange palms on my hands and the orange knuckles. I put some new self tanner on that I got from Walmart, and I thought that I put enough lotion on my hands and my knuckles to prevent this from happening, but it still happened. And also, I don't know how in the world I ended up with self tanner on the palms of my hands because I did use a mitt. So I don't know. But anyway, there's that, just to let you know that my hands are not dirty. It's just self tanner. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and continue. So I went ahead and picked some of these up. It's the foam dice. You get 4 in here. And you get these in the toy section is where I found these. And I picked these up because I am going to be doing some sort of a DIY using these. I've seen a lot of people get these foam dice from the Dollar Tree and do all kinds of cool stuff with them. So I thought I'd get me some and see if I can't figure out something to do with them. So anyway, I did go ahead and grab those. So I was down where the pet section is, and they have these new pet treat containers, I guess is what you'd call them. But so I went ahead and just grabbed one. This one is the black one. It's got the black lid with the bones and the paw print on it, which I think is really cute. So I did go ahead and grab this, but they did have some that had different colors. They had different prints on there. They even had some with different kinds of little sayings on them. But I just got the black one because I figured it would go with my decor. So I did just go ahead and grab that. So I was down by where the socks and stuff are, and they had some new hats. And I have never seen this brand at my Dollar Tree, and I'm pretty sure it's not a Greenbrier brand, but the tag says new fit, the new generation. So anyway, I thought I'd go ahead and grab this because normally when I get Dollar Tree ball caps, for some reason, they do not fit my head. And now I know I have a bigger head than most. And it's so hard to find ball caps that will fit my head. But I thought I'd grab this one and see, because it is on the inside here, you can see where the band is like this elastic. So I'm hoping that it stretches enough, but they didn't have any other sizes than this. It was this is the small medium size, and they didn't have any in a bigger size. So I'm hoping that it fits. To me, it looks like it is a man's hat, but I mean, it does. There's nothing on here that specifies that it's for men, but just by looking at it, it does kind of look like it would be made for a man. So anyway, I think it's really nice though, because it's got this mesh material, so it's breathable, so your head won't get too hot and sweaty. So anyway, I did go ahead and grab that. Hopefully it fits. We'll have to see. Okay, so I don't have a Cricut. I wish I did. I wish I had a Cricut or, something like that, a vinyl cutter, but I don't. So I was over by the Crafters Square section, and my Crafter Squares, and my Dollar Trees just are not very good. We really don't even have like a big section. It's just one little wall or whatever. So there's hardly anything ever there besides the same old that you find anywhere. But I've been seeing where everyone has found the like the vinyl and things like that, which even though I don't have a Cricut, still, you know, I could still use the vinyl without having a Cricut. But anyway, they did have this, and it's by Tulip, and it's the stencils, letters and numbers. They are reusable, and you get 48 in here, which I think is a really good deal. And Tulip is a name brand. On the back, it's showing you what all you get. So you get the alphabet, and then you're also going to get the numbers. And then it also looks like they have these little symbols, like you have the and sign, there's a unicorn, a peace sign. So there's all kinds of different designs on there. So anyway, I thought that was really cool. So I did go ahead and grab that. Okay, so my Dollar Trees, the book section is getting better, but it's still not like what I've seen other people haul. And I don't know, I'm real particular about books. And usually at Dollar Tree, if it's like a series, they never have the first book. They always have the second in the series or the third in the series. So I don't like getting books that are in a series and I don't have the first one or I've not read the first one. But anyway, they did have this cookbook, which I think this cookbook is so cool. Now, if you guys are my age or possibly older, you probably remember the TV show Twin Peaks. I'm sure the younger crowd doesn't have a clue what I'm talking about. But Twin Peaks was, I think that was such a cool show, and I wish they had never canceled it. Isn't that the way it goes, though? Every time you get into a show and you get, like, I don't know, adjusted to the characters or whatever, you get, you know, involved with the characters, and they cancel it. They just cancel the show, and it's like, no! But anyway, I wish they had never canceled it. I wish they'd bring it back. But anyway, I found this cookbook, and it says Damn Fine Cherry Pie, the unauthorized cookbook inspired by the TV show Twin Peaks. So I thought this was so cool, so I had to get it. And on the back it says a little less murder and a little more pie. I think that is so cute. And then this did retail for $24.99 in the U.S., so getting it for $1 is a pretty good deal. But I was skinning through it, and I did see they have the outfits that the characters wore in here, which I think is really cool. So, like this is Shelley Johnson. She, I guess, wore this. But anyway, I think that's really cool. But they do have some really, really yummy recipes in here. Like, oh my goodness, this looks good. Denise Bryson's lemon and white chocolate donuts. Oh my gosh. That looks so good. Yum. This does not look too appealing. I'm not a real big fan on fish. And especially eating something that's looking at me. I don't know if I could do it, but that doesn't look too appealing to me. Oh, but anyway, this cookbook, I just had to get it because Twin Peaks is just, that was such a good show. So anyway, yeah, that was a pretty amazing find. So I was happy to find that. Okay, so I went down the decor section and they had these new tea light holders or candle holders. I don't know, little jars. But these are so cute. So I had to get them. Now, they did have them in a couple of different colors, but I just wanted the clear because I figured clear is more versatile, like it will go with anything. So, but I did grab these because to me these look, I don't know, farmhousey or I don't know, even beachy. You can do like, I know Dollar Tree sells the colored sand. You could put a little bit of colored sand in the bottom, and then maybe a seashell or something inside with a tea light, like the battery operated tea lights. I think that would look really pretty displayed in there. And it does have this jute twine sort of twisted rope to hang it with, which I think is really pretty. These would even look pretty like if you had, I don't know, if you were doing a beach wedding or something. You could put these on the tables, or even Dollar Tree sells like the shepherd's hook. You could just hang these and like line a pathway with these hanging with shepherd hooks. I think this would be so pretty. But anyway, I just went ahead and I just grabbed 2 of them because I don't know exactly what I'm going to do with them, but I really thought they were pretty. Something else that was in the decor section were these. Now, I've seen other people haul these, but my Dollar Trees have just now got them in. But these are so cool. They are candle holders, and the base of them is like this. I don't know if this is cement or not, but it does feel like a stone. It's heavy, but I think this is really nice. And then the top does come off, or the sides, and it just kind of sits on there, which I think this is really pretty. Now, you wouldn't have to leave this gold if you didn't want to. You could paint it any color you wanted, but I thought these were really nice. And they did have a couple of different shapes. They had a triangle shaped one, and they also had a square, or I think it was more of a rectangle, I guess, than a square. But I just liked the round ones, so I did go ahead and grab 2 of those. Also, in the decor section, they had these really pretty signs. Now, I've seen other people haul these also, and they did have 2 or 3 to choose from with different designs on them, different pictures. But I think they're really pretty just as they are. But I got these to do a DIY with, and these, they don't have any kind of glass or anything on them. But they do have like this, I don't know if that's a foam. I think it's like a foam rose that's glued on there to stand up, so it's 3-dimensional, which I think is really cool. This one says Sweet Dreams, and then this one with the cactus says Home. And also on the back, it does have a place where you can hang it. It has a little sawtooth hanger back here. Also, it has these little tabs where you can just pull these up, and then you can push this sign out if you wanted to. If you just wanted to use the frame for something else, or if you wanted to do something different with the sign, maybe DIY it somehow, which I think is what I'm going to be doing with it. So I did get these for a DIY, and I really like these because they are, the size is different. It's not your typical 8x10 or picture frame that you would get at Dollar Tree. This is more of a, and it doesn't have the size on the back, but it's more of a narrow, it's more narrow and taller. So anyway, I did get this so that I can do a DIY. So there's those 2. And then, okay, so I've been seeing other people haul these too. And my stores had them in, but I'm not sure if this is the only scents that they have or if they have more. But this is all that was at my stores. But it is the Speed Stick body washes. So they have the women and the men's. So I just went ahead and grabbed one of each scent that they had. And so this one is the Speed Stick for men, which I'm assuming is for men. It doesn't say that it's for men, but it says Speed Stick body wash. And this one is in the scent Sandalwood Smash. And then this one is in the scent Surfside Rush. And these are 14.8 fluid ounces, which is a really good size. So they're pretty big. So I did grab just one of each of these, and they smell wonderful. But I have to say that if you are getting the Speed Stick and you're getting this for your man, if you or your man like manly smells, then these are not for you, because these don't smell manly to me, at least in my opinion. They smell more feminine, I guess you'd say. I would use these. So I think they smell really, really good though. So if you don't mind your man smelling a little more sweet, which I don't mind it, go ahead and pick these up for them because it smells really good. Or you can just pick them up for yourself because they do smell wonderful. Okay, so then the ladies speed stick, I got the Exotic Blooms and the Rose Delight. These are also 14.8 fluid ounces, which is a really good size. Now, I don't normally like the smell of rose. I like the smell of real roses, the flowers, but the artificial rose smell to me it just doesn't smell good at all. To me, it smells fake. So I don't know. I don't know if I'm gonna like this or not. But I did smell the Rose Delight, and it does smell good. It smells like roses, but it reminds me of a like a grandma. I don't want to offend anybody, but like an older lady would smell. It smells nice. It smells good. It's just not my favorite scent. So I'm not sure if I will keep this or if I'm going to be passing it down to maybe a family member or a friend that likes the way it smells. But so there's that one. And then the Exotic Blooms. And this one, guys, smells so good. If you like a sweet florally smell, then you're going to love this. It has really strong hints of vanilla. So if you like vanilla scented things, you're going to love this. So I would highly recommend picking this up because this smells wonderful. Okay, and so the last thing that I got is also a shower gel. And this one is by Arm & Hammer, Essentials Moisturizing Shower Gel with Soothing Baking Soda. It says with moisturizing aloe vera, and it's in the scent Orange Blossom. And this one is only 12 fluid ounces. So it's a little bit smaller, but this one smells really good too. It does smell like oranges. It smells really good. So, and I've never tried the Arm & Hammer before, so I'll be happy to try that out. So yeah, that's the end. That's the end of my haul, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe because I would love to have you. Leave me a comment down below because I like talking to y'all. I hope that you guys are all having a wonderful day. I wanted to thank you all for watching, and I'll talk to you all later. Bye!